everyone, welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. My name is Lisa, and today I have a quick and inexpensive project for you. It was inspired by the maple leaf placemats at Michael's that I saw Kelly Barlow recreate. In her video, Kelly used felt and maple leaves. The original price of the matching table runner was $30, but even after a discount, I felt that the price was much too high. I searched online, but the ones I was able to find were lacking the greens which are dominant in my decor. Then I thought, well, I don't want the leaves in the center of the table runner either, because that would distract from the decorations that I wanted to place on it. So I decided to make my own table runner by using materials that I had on hand and putting my own spin on it. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. All you're going to need is some burlap, and you can pick up a sheet of the burlap from the Dollar Tree, or you can get it on a roll like this from Walmart for about $3.97. Then you'll need some maple leaves. Again, you can pick these up at the Dollar Tree or Walmart. You'll need your scissors, your glue gun, and glue sticks. Now the next thing you'll do is cut the burlap down to the size you need. And I've already gone ahead and cut this down to 3 feet long. And the burlap is 1 foot wide. But I'm going to go ahead and cut that down in half. Now you can cut this down to whatever size you like or leave it at the 12 inches wide. The reason I cut it down is because those are the measurements of the particular spot that I want to decorate. Okay, I've taken some leaves out of the bag and I'm going to put them in places where I think they will look really nice and come up with a pattern. You can do it as random as you like. It depends on your taste. And you'll want to cut the stems off of the leaves as well. I've come up with a pattern that I'm happy with, and now all that's left to be done is to attach the leaves using the glue gun. Here is how the table runner turned out. I am so in love with this. It's perfect for my space. And here is the table runner, all decorated and ready for Thanksgiving. So friends, that is it. Quick, inexpensive, and custom made. And it only cost me less than $5. I will leave a list of the materials that I used in the description box below. And I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. If you decide to recreate this table runner, you can also use colors for Christmas, Easter, or any holiday that you celebrate. Be sure to check out Kelly's video, which I've linked below as well. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. Click the like button, leave a comment below, and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, smile and create your own masterpiece today.